Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. Now in my third video we have discussed about the how to find or how to arrange the fractions in ascending and descending order and how to reduce the fraction in lowest form. Now the continuation of that particular video, we are in this fourth video we have to discuss about the comparison or arranging. We can write arranging of fractions with unlike numerator and unlike denominator in ascending order. Okay, or we can say comparison of fractions with unlike numerator and unlike denominator. Okay, now in my last video the fractions, okay, like fractions and unlike fractions, how to arrange the ascending order and descending order about the like fractions and the unlike fractions we have finished. Now in this video we have to discuss about the arranging or the comparison of fractions with unlike numerator and unlike denominator in ascending order. If the numerator is different, if the denominator is different, how to arrange those fractions in ascending order? We have to follow different process. Okay, now example 5 by 8, 3 by 4, then 7 by 12 and lastly 2 by 3. These are different fractions. Okay, numerator is different. Okay, numerator is different numerator, different denominator. Okay, now how to arrange these fraction in ascending order? We have to follow another process. What that process is? First we have to find the LCM of 8, 4, 12 and 3. Okay, write 8, 4, 12, 3. Okay, LCM. Okay, by factorization method. Okay, 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 3 write on the same, again 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, then 2 3s are 6, just write 3 only. Now again by 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 3 3 lastly 1 1, then 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 0. Now we have to multiply the prime factors. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 3s are 24 is the LCM. Okay, first we have to find the LCM of the denominators, not the numerator. Don't be confused, not the numerators but the denominators. Okay, that means 8 4 12 3. Okay, we have to find the LCM of 8 4 12 3. We have to find the LCM, or we have to find the LCM of denominators only. Now how to find? First write the fraction 5 by 8, just write 5 into, then again 8 multiplied. Now divide that LCM by the denominator. LCM by the denominator. Okay, LCM by the denominator. Okay, LCM is 24, denominator is 8. Now 8 3s are 24, 24 by 8. Okay, 8 3s are 24. We are dividing the LCM by the denominators. Okay, not the numerators, denominator. Dividing 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24. Now take this 3 here, write down 3, again write down that 3 here only. Okay, now write the answer 3, 8 3. Now write the answer 3 in numerator, in denominator. Now multiply that numerator by the LCM. 3 5s are 15, multiply the denominator by the LCM. Okay, numbers only, then 3 8s are 24. Okay, first we have finished. Now second, 3 by 4, again just write 3 make. Okay, again 4 into, now divide those LCM 24 by the denominators. 4 6 are 24. Okay, 24 by this 4, not 3, 4, 4 6 are 24, 6. Okay, answer is 6. Write down 6 here, no problem. Again write down 6 here. Understood? Then 6 3s are 18, then 4 6 are 24. Okay, we have finished. Now 3 by 4 we have finished. Now 7 by 12, 7 by 12. Again just write down 7 here, multiplication, again 12 multiplication. Now again 24 is the LCM. Now the denominator is changed, 12. 12 is very simple. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24. These two write down here in numerator part. Again write that 2 only in denominator part. Okay, it's very simple. 7 2s are 14, then 12 2s are 24. Okay, now the final 2 by 3 is left. 2 by 3 is left. Now I'll write here 2 by 3, 2 by then 3, 2 by 3, then 2 into then 3 into. Now again 24 is the LCM. Now denominator is changed, 3, 3. Now 3, okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. 8 is the answer. Okay, we are again dividing the LCM by the denominators. Okay, 3 8s are 24. Now 8 is the answer. 8 write down here, 8 write down here, same numbers. Okay, now 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24. Okay, okay, now 1, second, third, then fourth. So now how to find, how to arrange in ascending order of this number. Okay, now I'll write the answer. Almost we have got the answer. Now ascending order means smaller to bigger. Okay, see 15 24, which is smaller than 15, 18, 14, then 16. Okay, now answer we can write 15 by 24, then 18 by 24. Okay, then 14 by 24, then lastly 16 by 24. Now we have to make in ascending order. Okay, okay, ascending means smaller to bigger. Okay, 14 is smaller, 14 by 24 smaller, then again now which one, 14, 15 by 24, then 16 by 24, then lastly 18 by 24. This is in ascending order. Okay, you can also cut 2 7s are 14, 2 12s are 24. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24, 2 4 4s are 16, then again 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24, again 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, then 2 6s are 12, then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now lastly 9 2s are 18, 3 6 are 18, 3 8s are 24, then 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. We can write also in this like 7 by 12. Okay, then 5 by 8, then 2 by 3, then lastly 3 by 4. This is in ascending order. Okay, now after this descending order. Now descending order. Now okay, arranging of fractions with unlike numerator and unlike denominator in descending order. In descending order, descending means bigger to small. I want to give example: 3 by 5, 1 by 2, 7 by 10. Okay, then 5 by 6. Okay, now again 5 2 10 6 LCM. Okay, we have to take the LCM first. Again 2 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now again which number, 3 5 comma 5 comma 3 1s are 3, again 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5, then like 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30 is the LCM. 30 is the LCM. 30 is the LCM. Then again 3 by 5. Okay, then again 3 into how much, 3, then we can write 5. Again 5 6 are 30, right, 6 here, 5 6 are 36, right here. Okay, then again 3 6 are 18, 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30. Again write the same second number, 1 by 2, then again 1 into, then 2 into, then again divide this 30 by the 2. 2 15s are 32, 15s are 30, 15 right here, 15 right here, 15 1s are 15, 2 15s are 30. Okay, now after this 7 by 10, 7 by 10, 7 into, then 10 into. Okay, now 10 3s are 30, 10 3s are 3 is the answer. Write 3 here, write 3 here. Okay, 7 3s are 21, and lastly 10 3s are 30. Now lastly which is left, 5 by 6, 5 by 6, 5 into, then 6 into. Okay, now 30 divided by 6, 6 5s are 30, that means 5 5s are 5 6 are. Okay, 5 5 are 25, then 6 5 are 30. Now we have to make it this number in descending order. This number in descending order. We just add the answer only. Answer only I'll write. Okay. 18. Okay, now consider the number. Okay, 18, 15, 21 and 25. Which is bigger? Bigger is 25. First write down 25 by 30, bigger. Then 21 by 30. Then after this 18 by 30, and lastly which is number 15 by 30. 15 by 30. We can write directly by seeing the numerator. Not the denominator is same, numerator is different. Okay, denominator is same, but the numerators are different. 18, 25 is bigger than 21, 21 is bigger than 18, 18 is bigger than 15. Okay, we can write like this only, and we can cut also. Okay, like I have cut last time also. 5 5 is 25, 5 6 are 30. Okay, don't be confused. Now here also 3 7 are 21, 3 10 are 30. Now here also 6 3 are 30, 6 5 are 6 3 are 18, 6 5 are 30. Here also 15 1 are 15, 15 2 are 30. Finally answer is 5 by 6 divided 7 by 10 divided 3 by 5 divided 1 by 2. This is in descending order. So this much for the fractions. I hope you all understood my videos. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel.